Hey guys, it's Cherie here and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I do my twist out and my hair care routine, so check it out. I'm working with a 1-week-old twist out and it is most definitely wash day. So first I start by parting my hair into 4 sections, and that helps to detangle and manage my hair in the shower. Next I'll wet my hair, shampoo with Cream of Nature Argan oil, and rinse thoroughly while I do what I do best.
Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Has changed, and I don't think I can make it without you.
Afterwards, I'll use warm water and Maui Shea Butter Conditioner as a deep overnight mask. This will really help to hydrate, rejuvenate, and moisturize my scalp and hair and stay aloha curls. I'll start off with one section and divide it into a smaller section in order to completely moisturize and disperse the product throughout my hair. I'll first spray my hair with water where it's wet but not completely drenched. And then I will use, or maybe I won't use it, okay? I'll finally use about like a nickel-sized amount of the conditioner, which smells amazing, and work and distribute the conditioner through my hair while detangling it until it's completely saturated. Next, I'll twist my hair, putting one piece over the other from right to left, especially focusing on my ends to seal in the moisture, and I'll continue this process with each section. I really love this conditioner not only because it smells so good, but it gives my hair a lot of slip, which makes it super easy to detangle my hair. I would say my hair type is a combination of 4A, B, and C. And with this conditioner, it works absolute miracles, especially if my hair is super thirsty and is in desperate need of moisturizing. After completely applying the conditioner, I'll deep condition my hair with 2 shower caps on to really trap the moisture and help the conditioner penetrate my hair back to its luscious curls. And I'll get back to it after some shut-eye and a beautiful sunrise. Once I wake up, I'll start my day, eat breakfast, brush my teeth, and take my shower caps off. My hair feels super moisturized, extremely conditioned, and just super soft. Next, I'll get in the shower, wash out the conditioner, and you know what it is. After completely washing the conditioner out, I'll part my hair into 4 sections. I'll use warm water, melted coconut oil, As I Am leave-in conditioner, and Xtreme styling gel. I'll start with combining my 2 back sections and dividing that into a much smaller section, as you can see. Next, I'll further divide that smaller section into 3 other sections: a lower right, a lower left, and middle section. I will then tuck away the middle section to focus on the lower right and the lower left sections for now. I'll start by spraying warm water into my hair until it's wet but not dripping. Then I'll use coconut oil to apply evenly to that section from ends to my scalp, massaging it in. Next, I'll apply about that much of my As I Am leave-in conditioner to the section, and I'll gently work it through, detangling my hair in the process. If I feel my hair is too saturated with oil and/or conditioner, I'll apply more water to balance out the product. Next, I add the styling gel, and I don't use too much, but just enough so my hair isn't overloaded with the product. My hair should still feel like there is some slip and hydration to it. Next, I'll go ahead and start twisting my hair by taking the 2 pieces of hair and continually placing one piece on top of the other, from right to left, making sure it's not too loose so it doesn't unwind easily, and focusing on my ends as well. The gel really helps my curls pop and gives it a lot of hold for my twists. I'll continue this throughout my hair, working my way upwards and sectioning the bigger section of hair into a smaller section and sectioning that into 3 smaller sections. Sections, I'll work my way to the front. I'll use a comb to style my hair with the side part and then start the right side. I will divide my section into a smaller section and further divide that section, focusing on one section at a time. Hopefully that's not too confusing. Same thing, just a different section. I'll add water, coconut oil, focusing on my ends, working up to my roots. I'll add in the leave-in conditioner. And then lastly, the gel. I'll put this through my hair as evenly as possible, and then I'll start twisting from right to left while focusing on my ends with the gel. The sections closer to my hairline and edges, I'll twist from left to right instead. It just seems that my hair holds better that way in the front, and I'll do this same exact thing on the left side. And this is the results. my edges laid by wrapping my hair with my satin scarf. Nails and makeup done did and ready to start untwisting. I'll use coconut oil on my hands to help with untwisting and preventing my hair from frizzing. And I'll use Xtreme styling gel for my edges. So the same place I start twisting my hair is the same place I untwist it. I start in the back, working from the ground up. When I untwist my hair, I'll first unravel or untwist the two strands in the opposite direction of how I twisted it. Doing this will allow the two strands to unwind with little to no force or tension, so then you can easily separate the two pieces without frizz. Once the two pieces of hair are separated, I can continue separating my hair more and more to give it more volume and curls. Throughout this whole process, I'll coat my hands with coconut oil, and I'll really take my time in order to get the best results. So I'll just continue to separate and position my hair more and more. Next, I'll use a wide tooth comb to pick out the roots of my hair in order to stretch it. Shrinkage is so real, but it also helps to fluff my hair out and give it more fullness. Stretch and get every piece that you need to. I like to use a bobby pin to style my hair behind my ear. I am struggling with these nails. Next, I'll use styling gel with my toothbrush where it's needed on my edges. I don't like to use too much because it can leave a film or a residue after using it on dry hair. More bobby pins. And there you go, folks, the perfect twist out. We got bounce, definition, sheen and flawless. Naturally blacknificent.
Wait. Did she just do it? Hold on. Let me see if she did. Oh yeah, I like it. I like. I see, Sheree.
And there you go, people. The perfect twist out and my hair care routine. All the items and products I use in this video and where you can purchase them are going to be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe, everyone. Hope to see you next time. Bye. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at AdoreSharia Moore.